Hello children, how are you? Fine? Good. So children, today again I am back with our English subject. So children, in English what we are learning? Yes, we are learning small letters. And in small letters we have already completed letter A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I and J. So today in this video we will learn small letter K and small letter L. See children, this is capital letter K and this is small letter K. And what is the sound of K? K says K, K. Now let's revise the identifiers of letter K. K for kite, K for kettle, K for key, K for kingfisher, K for kangaroo, K for kitten, K for kiwi and K for king. So children, see here, this is capital letter K, and how to write capital letter K that you know. So now small letter K is very easy for you. So let's learn how to trace and write small letter K. First what we do? First we trace letter K. See children, how to do? First you have to draw first line, that means this red line, to third line, this blue line. Do one standing line and then leave some space, and in this middle line, that means in between these two blue lines, you have to draw small slanting line and touch to the standing line, and then from here only draw one small slanting line again downside to the third line, downside this blue line. This is small letter K. Children, you know how to draw standing line and slanting lines, right? So small letter K is very easy for you. Let's do again. First line to third line, draw one standing line, then leave some space, and from here draw small slanting line and touch to the standing line, and here only again draw one small slanting line downside, touch to this third blue line. Okay children, small letter K. Children, your standing line you have to draw from first line to third line, and your both the slanting line you have to draw in middle line, that means in between second and third line. Okay children, like this way you have to complete this tracing, and then we will write here. And how to write? Let's see. First line to third line, what we do? Standing line and then leave some space, and from here, from this blue line, that means this second line, draw small slanting line and touch to the standing line, and then from here only again draw small slanting line downside and touch to the third blue line. Okay children, see, this is looking very nice. Small letter K. Let's see again. Standing line and slanting line and again slanting line, small letter K. Children, your letter should not go downside to the third line and upside to the first line. Okay, you have to write first line to third line, but your slanting line you have to draw in middle line, in between of second and third line. Okay, now let's write small letter K in our English book. See here, capital letter K and this is small letter K. K for kite. K says K, K. The sound of K is K. So first let's trace here. What we do? Big standing line, then slanting line and again slanting line. Small letter K. Now let's write how to write within 4 lines. See children, here one dot is given. From here you have to start. First line to 1, 2 and 3. First line to third line draw one standing line. Then leave some space, and from the second line draw small slanting line and touch to the standing line. And from here only again draw small slanting line downside to the third line, small letter K. Let's see again. Standing line, slanting line, slanting line, small letter K. K says K. K says K. Children, whenever you write K, speak K says K. Like this way you have to complete this full page. Okay. Now this is capital letter L and this is small letter L. Letter L. L says L. What is the sound of L? L. Now let's revise the identifier of letter L. L for leaf, L for lion, L for lock, L for ladder, L for lorry, L for log, L for lollipop, and L for lantern. See children, capital letter L, how to write it, that you know, right? So now let's learn how to write small letter L. First what we do? First we trace letter L. Children, small letter L is very easy letter. How to write it? First line to third line, you have to draw just a standing line. Easy. Small letter L is very easy. Only standing line, first line to third line. Like this way, first you have to trace this line and then we write here. What we do? Only first this red line to third this blue line, just draw one standing line, small letter L. Like this way, you have to speak and write small letter L in these 4 lines, okay? Now let's write small letter L in our English book. See, this is capital L and this is small l. L for log. L says L. Let's trace here. What you have to do? Just a standing line. This is small letter L. Now let's write within 4 lines. Only from first line to third line you have to draw one standing line. This is small letter L. L says L. L says L. You have to speak and write this full page, okay?